The reason I started making these masks is because my sister and my mom both work in healthcare, and one day my mom came home and said that they were having to reuse masks that they already have used because they were so low on supplies. So I figured I would try and find a way to help. I also wanted to say that this was a whole DIY project. I never left the house to go get unnecessary items or things that I didn't have, so I just used stuff that I had lying around, like shoelaces for the hooks, pieces of fabric from t-shirts or old blankets. But my family is very crafty, so we had lots of spare elastic and fabrics lying around, so I figured we would finally find a way to use that and make some surgical face masks. So please don't leave the house if you don't have to. Let's, all stay inside and do our part. Not only is it just affecting us locally, it's felt around the world. So if you want to help out and make some masks, this is how you would do it. Okay, well, you take 8.5 by 6.5 fabrics, 2 of them. Basically, you just start with the face of the fabric. So you put the pretty sides together and then you pin them. Take the elastic and basically you just pin them in the corners with it laying to the inside so where you can't see the elastic. This is what it looks like when it is done being pinned. So you have the elastic here. Once you're all pinned, you can start sewing. So you sew all the way around, but you leave a small hole so you can flip it to the right side. So you get the pretty side facing outwards. After you sew it once around, you should have something like this. It's double-sided, and you should have that little hole. So you just pin it shut, then you will go around and sew around once more. And then after that, you'll make 2 pleats, and then sew the pleats, and you have a face mask. So once you have the pleats in, it looks like this. Simple as that. Yeah, here are some of the ones that I have made. Super cute, washable, reusable. Also, we have to go through and trim the strings, so make sure you trim the strings because nobody wants strings on their face masks. If you want new information on ways to help protect you and your family and your friends, go check out the CDC's websites. They're always putting out new articles and information about the situation, so I would advise you guys to stay updated and stay safe.